Hi, my name is Kimberly Busby, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my business that I believe to be the next big thing in fashion. So, a little bit about myself. I am an apparel entrepreneurship student here at Brigham Young University, Idaho. I basically what my degree is half business entrepreneurship and then half fashion design and construction. So, my company is based around fashion and clothing. I just include this picture over here on the left. This is just a picture of me and one of my latest designs, just to show you a little bit about my style and my personal skills as well. So, Fit for Fashion, what is it? Fit for Fashion is a combination of clothing alterations as well as clothing redesign. So, what we do is we take clothing that either needs mending, fixing, fitting, and we fit it to your body type, but we also fit it to your style. And that's where the redesign work comes in. We can take a dress and make it a skirt, we can make a blouse into a tie. So, there's all sorts of things that we can really do with clothing to make it fit for your body type and also fit for your personal style. So, what makes this unique? Well, I kind of already mentioned that a little bit, but what we're doing is essentially taking the alterations industry and the ready to wear clothing industry and combining them into one. So, the best features from both work together to create Fit for Fashion. So, if you don't have a lot of money to spend on new clothing, that's fine. We can fix what you've got. If you love getting new clothing, then we can take something you already have and make it something new. So it's a hassle-free way of not having to go out and shop and spend tons of money, and really make something that's catered towards you that nobody else is going to have. So some of the successes that we've had thus far is just our clientele growing 5 times since the first month that we started. We've also been able to grow in our skills and the things that I can do to clothing. So, for example, on the left here, this photo is a picture of a jacket that I completely redid all the zippers on. And then over here on the right is a picture of a dress that was changed from a size large to a size small. So there's a lot of options and possibilities. And I wish I could show you all the pictures, but these are just two of my favorites that I did. We've had a lot of success as well using social media. This is just some examples of people reaching out to me, asking me for ideas of what I could do to fix it, fix their clothing, or help them. Also, as well, there's some screenshots here of people recommending me and suggesting other people or referring me to other people to work for them and work on some of their clothing as well. So obviously we could have had a lot of improvements. I think I could have used Instagram and Facebook more to my advantage. I did use them a lot, which is what got me a lot of my clients, but I think I could have even developed it even more. I think I also could have had a little bit of a better follow up with potential clients. I had people contact me and ask me, can you help me with this? Can you help me with that? Um, and sometimes I wasn't able to get back to all of them just because of time, but I think that's something I could have improved on. I think also I could just advertise some of the work I've already done to give people who might not consider alterations or redesign work. If I show them what I can do, they might think, oh, like I have something uh, that she could work on that I would really like. So I think showing people what I can do would help them generate ideas and bring in more clients for me. And then also just more consistent pricing. So money in the works. So what we've made thus far. So our average expense per item is only about $1.30, and then we're making about $13.25 on average off of each item that we do. So our average net income per item is going to be $11.87, which is an awesome markup and gross margin. Um, so yeah, the average that we're making about per hour is 237. So that was one thing that we kind of need to keep reevaluating and working on. But so far, our average net income is looking really great. And then this right here on the graph, you can just see a comparison of what we spent to what we earned. So there's definitely room for more growth here. This is a projection of what we've made thus far and where we can see based off of what we've seen so far, where we see our company growing. So as my own skills improve, it's going to take less time to work on projects, which means whipping out more items. I think, even having like a referral program will increase marketing and maybe having consultations to help people see what in their closet we could redesign for them or make work for them. So if you look at this chart here, this is just projections for growth in our gross margin. So why invest in us? Well, the benefits for you as an investor is just involvement in a totally new industry and also assurance that this business is successful. We know that alterations is successful, we know ready to wear is successful. So putting the two together seems like just key for success. There's also little investment in comparison to the return that we've been making thus far. So I kind of already talked about this a little bit, but if we did have more time, and I think we'd have a lot more opportunities. A lot of that just within new marketing techniques, consultation appointments, which you talked about, and I think I'd really like to get involved in more local businesses, dry cleaners, um, people who sell ready-to-wear clothing that maybe it's not working out so well for them, not selling very well. We could, redesign it and make it work. And then just developing a stronger brand in general. So this is Fit for Fashion, and we hope that you invest in us. Thank you.